Hello everyone, petar.jacimovic here from VicoAnalyst.com. I want to do the quick update on my positions and my new position actually on GBP/USD, and I also want to update you that I closed the USD CAD and the break even. I closed at this 40 level once I saw that that price cannot go higher or create a third wave. I knew this is a potential ABC, so a lot of corrections are going on here on the USD CAD. So I tried to catch a third leg, didn't work, and I got stop loss and break even here on this currency pair. So I'm waiting a clear picture in USD CAD before I establish any new position on this currency pair particular. Anyway, on Euro and New Zealand dollar, I still have my position, my buying position, as you see on this point here. I established it at this stage here, where is the price right now, and a little bit higher. I got one more transaction. The reason here is pretty much still same. The counting is still valid. So we got impulsive wave here, 5A structure here, and then ABC corrective phase major. So I'm expecting higher price, and the price basically tested the 50% of the first wave, which is absolutely normal if we speak about retracement levels on the second wave, and it tested 78.6 from this C versus A in this zigzag corrective phase 4. And what is interesting here that we have a C versus A here 100%. If this is a zigzag formation, major one, this will be the 100%, 1.6 180. But it's very also good because the third wave is also the same price, 1.6 180. So this level is very strong, and in my opinion I will look to exit here position if the price goes strongly as I expect, and this will be the 1:5 ratio, since the risk here is about 150 pips, and I'm aiming for almost 600 pips. So this is the update for Euro New Zealand. So it's still holding this currency pair, still holding the buying position. Stop loss all the way below 1.5 330 area is my stop loss. And the new position I established basically is this GBP/USD. We'll go very fast here. That just explain you. This is my structure, my wave structure. We'll also go through the volume analysis and see what's going on. First of all, I found the 5 wave patterns here. This is a first sign for me that something is going on this currency pair. After big sell off here, after big supply and so on, after the news and after the United Kingdom exit from the European Union and so on, we got the massive volatility. But this 5-way structure basically told us that this is something is going on here, and this is not, by the way, end of the correction. I don't think this is the end of this bullish correction, that we can go all the way lower from this point here, since the 5-way structure is suggesting us that we may see the higher price, and this is not a finalized correction. If it's this correction, this can be also first wave, and this can be a second, or we can see the larger 5-way structure, which will actually confirm the total change in the trend dynamic. But the time will tell us what's going on. The price section, the wave structure will tell us. Anyway, if you see here, I will zoom out in this particular area here. We got a combination of corrective phases here. We got a classic ABC, then we got actually double ABC, since we got ABC here, and then the W, and then ABC, and then X, and ABC and H here on Y, pardon. And then we got also some kind of ABC formation, and we got another X there, and we got Z here, potential Z. So this is some kind of triple zigzag formation in combination of flat ABC patterns. So very complex structure here in this point in the GBP/USD, but that will not change the picture that I'm bullish on this one, and I expect at least 100%. So there is of course two scenarios here. If this wave counting is correct, the first scenario, the price go at least to go to 100%. It's C versus A in the ABC major corrective phase, according to this massive downward in the background. So the level of 1.3663, okay, 1.3660, let's say, area is the C will be equal to A. This is also what we can expect, at least in this after this strong correction, and very extended correction and complex correction, by the way. Then we got if this go above this 100%, there is a 161.8. So C can be also at this point here. C can be also 261.8, but this is something minimum 100%, which I expect if this is a corrective phase. But we will see again, watching the wave structure in the future and see what's going on. If this is actually starting of the third wave, and if we go into the 5-wave structure, the 100%, which is the minimum, is 1.3874, but it's usually 161.8 or even 261.8 if we got extended third wave. Anyway, we'll go back and we'll put to something which is very usual, 161.8, which is this one, and this still remains versus the A is a 1.3660. Then we got 1.4035 and then 1.4379. Okay, so these levels are the targets here. If we go, for example, and see the ratio of 3 versus 2, we can see just pardon, 3 versus 2. This is the ratio. 3 versus 2, 161.8. If we compare third versus second wave, it's 1.3900. So a lot of ratios there above current price. But again, this is what I expect at least. So the first target is again 1.3660 level. Again, I went into buy here at this area and I put stop loss about 120 pips, 115 pips, 110 pips, and I'm going to, and we'll go to try to take 500 pips. I'm going for about 1 to 5 risk reward ratio in this setup. My stop loss is near 1.3020 area. That will confirm that something, this is a little bit complex extension, even more, and so on. So I will be out if the price goes there, and I'm expecting these levels. Okay, so this is my update. I'm bullish on the pound, bullish on the euro and New Zealand dollar. That's so far. I exited USD CAD on the break even. I'm counting the euro USD so far. I'm waiting there some correction, and then I will join the buying side. I'm expecting upward price, but I will let you know about when that happen. If you like my web analysis, and if you want to learn my method and how you combine also the volume analysis together with wave analysis and the Fibonacci ratios analysis, also the time analysis, for example, what we got most recently, if you zoom in, you see we got a massive selling climax here, climatic action, then some testings of this supply. Also, most recently, we got an ABC formation where this C versus A is 261.8. So very, very strong support there, and that's why the price stopped there. And that's where I started to build positions, basically. Okay, you can subscribe my YouTube channel, follow my work on Forex Factor Trader Art Trading by Petar Serbia. If you want to start my mentorship program, feel free to contact me on the Skype. I will put my username in the description of the video. That's it for now. I wish you good trading and have a nice day.